Hey dolls, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is the hairstyle that we're going for today, so let's get right into it. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, as you should always do. For the moisturizer, I'm going in with the melanin leave-in conditioner and then this Nature's Blessing grease. It is linked in my Amazon storefront below. So I like to go in with that and then detangle with a pick. So it's not so hard on my hair. You don't want to pull your hair out when you're detangling. And now we are parting. I want to do something unique. I've been really enjoying doing braiding styles lately. I finally got my black girl powers and I'm able to add in braiding hair. So that's just opened up a whole new set of styles that I can do weekly. So to lay this down, I'm using this Shine and Jam. I think this was their Pride collection. So you want to make sure you apply it below and above the part just so you can get that sleek look, because that's just my personal preference. And I'm braiding this to the front and adding the hair in as I go, like so. Then I'm just going to be doing the same thing over my whole head, just parting it in different designs and braiding it to go into that bun. And now I do have a little bit of flaking sometimes, so I just brush it out and then make sure I apply this grease, because this grease has been helping with my scalp. Something that I do like to do when I'm getting towards my edges is to go ahead and shape and slick them down the way I want, because if you do it afterwards, it just doesn't blend as nicely into the braid. So just a little tip. Now that I have all my braids done, I'm just gonna put that out the way by putting it in a little ponytail and then going ahead and brushing up the hair in the back. This is a little puff. And I'm just gonna add that Shine and Gem and just brush it up. I mean, there's literally nothing like Shine and Gem. Just look at how sleek that gets my hair. I mean, if there is, don't be afraid to comment it down below. I'm open to trying new stuff. So I put this in a ponytail, get it out of the way, and then I'm just going to braid it into a bun. This is the exact spot that I want the bun to sit, so just make sure you put it where you want it. Now for the bun itself, I'm using the Bloom Bundle Water Wave in 18 inches in the color 1B. I just get all the tracks, fold it one time, and then I use bobby pins just to, pin it all around and make it even. So my technique to this is just wrap it around, pin it where you feel like it's needed, but do not put 1,000 pins in one area. Your head will be on fire. We do not want that. Now that everything is pinned down, I'm just going to add another ponytail holder over the bun that I created under the extensions. That way we hide my natural hair pretty much. And then what I'm going to do to make the perfect bun is just fold the extension hair over the bun that I just created, make another ponytail, and then we're going to wrap the excess hair around that, and then we're going to wrap the braiding hair around that. It may sound like a lot, but that's why I'm glad this is a video, so you can just follow along by just watching. Now another thing, I am going to be wrapping the braids a certain way because I want them to lay a certain way. So I put this one forward, and then I'm going to wrap the other one across because I just like how that sits. It just looks, more designed, if you will. And for the excess hair, we're just going to do like we did everything else. Twist it as you go and then wrap it around the bun and pin it. And there you have it, 2 cute buns with braided hair. It's giving Black Panther. So if you guys want to see more hair tutorials, make sure you comment down below what you'd like to see next. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. See you next time.